Why do we forget? Sometimes we forget things like where we put our toys or what we ate for breakfast. This is normal. Here's why it happens. Not paying attention. If we don't really focus, our brain might not remember well. Too much information. Learning too many things at once can make our brain mix things up. Time. Memories can fade if we don't think about them often. Distractions. Noisy or busy places can make it hard to remember. How to remember better? Focus. Pay attention when you learn something new. Practice. Think about or use what you learned often. Connect. Link new things to things you already know. Sleep well. A good sleep helps your brain remember. Remember, everyone forgets sometimes, and that's okay.